Hey, have you ever wondered how by just executing a with block of code takes care of all the stuff like resource management and cleanup operations all by itself? No? All right then, let me explain. Imagine this common scenario. We're opening a file and doing something with it. Now here's where things can go wrong. What if an error happens before we get to this part of the code? The file stays open, leading to all sorts of problems. But what if we didn't have to worry about manually closing the file? Here's the cleaner, better way to handle it using the with statement. When we run this code, boom. The file is opened, read, and then, no matter what happens in that block, it's automatically closed when we're done. This is where Python's context manager comes into play. The with statement sets up a context, does the work, and then cleans up for us. So, what's the magic behind this? A context manager is a special kind of object in Python that knows how to manage resources. It has two key methods, enter and exit. The enter method handles the setup, and the exit method takes care of the cleanup. Here, when we enter the with block, Python calls the enter method to do the setup, gives us access to some resource, and when we're done, or even if something breaks, the exit method is called to clean up. Now coming back to this code, the same thing is happening here also. When the with block starts, Python calls the enter method, provided by the file object, which opens the file and gives us access to it. When the block finishes, either successfully or due to an error, Python calls the exit method, which automatically closes the file. Okay, we have this code here demonstrating how file handling could be done using Context Manager. The init method initializes the handleFile class with the file name and mode. The enter method opens the file and returns it. When we use with, this method is automatically called and the result is assigned to the variable. The exit method ensures that the file is closed. Whether the block inside with runs successfully or an error occurs, the exit method is always called to clean up. Context managers are super useful, right? But they are not just limited to file handling. They can be used for many other resource management tasks such as database connections, thread locks, network connections like sockets, temporary files or directories, and many more. I think you guys get the idea. Context managers save time, reduce errors, and keep the code neat and efficient. Thanks for watching, give a thumbs up, and if you want more Python goodness like this, hit subscribe and stick around for more.